Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix crashes and errors in Premiere Pro. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Premiere Pro and select the file and select project settings and select general. In video rendering and playback, set this to software only option and select OK. This only use the CPU and fix crashes. Method 2, you just need to select the edit on the top and select the preferences. Select media cache. And you just need to select the delete option in next to remove media cache files. Select this to delete unused media cache files and select OK option. And this will clear the cache. I recommend to select this automatically delete cache files older than 7 days. That means weekly wise it will clear the cache automatically. Select OK to save changes. Method 3, you just need to select the edit option on the top and select preferences and select the auto save option. Set this automatically save every 5 minutes and select OK to save changes. Method 4, you just need to open File Explorer, go to C drive, users folder, double click on your username. If you don't know your username, select the start icon. Here is your username. Double click on the folder name and now double click on the document. Double click on the Adobe and double click on the Premiere Pro and double click on the current version you are using. The delete whatever in this folder guys. This will reset the Premiere Pro. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.